Janelle and welcome to day 1 of 12 days of Rosery. This year I wanted to do something a little bit special as a massive thank you for all the support and for watching my videos this year. And so I thought, what better way to give back to you than to create a new video every single day for the next 12 days. They're going to be pretty heavily festive themed, and today I'm sharing the very first one, which is going to be a DIY fabric advent calendar. So as you're watching this video, it is December 1st, which means you are going to be a day behind, but I made sure to make this project as scrap fabric friendly as possible, and basically I just went around and had a look at my stash to see if I had any suitable fabrics for it. So hopefully you'll be able to do the same and pick out some scrap fabrics for this project to be able to get started on it straight away. Before we jump into the project, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, because like I said, I'll be sharing a new video every day for the next 12 days, which I hope you're really excited about, because if you can't already tell, I'm very, very excited about this. So let me show you how to make this super cute DIY advent calendar. So as I said, this project is a great one for using up scrap fabric. As you can see, I don't really stick to traditional festive colours and have chosen to go with some warm orange and pink tone fabric for my calendar instead. For this project you'll need your choice of fabric, an 85cm or 33.5 inch piece of dowel, some fabric paint and a stencil with numbers. As well as your collection of scrap fabric, you will need one larger piece of fabric to use for the base of the calendar. I've used a thick linen for this piece, and it's best to use a thicker fabric so that your finished calendar will hold its shape properly. Start by measuring a rectangle onto your base fabric that measures approximately 95 by 70 centimeters or 37.5 by 29.5 inches. I'm using my water erasable pen and my measuring tape to mark out the measurements directly onto the fabric. Then cut it out, and you should have a rectangle that looks like this. Next, take your scrap fabric and use the free template I have in the description of this video to cut out 48 pocket shapes. With right sides together, place 2 contrasting pocket pieces together. Then stitch the pockets together, leaving a small opening at the top of the pocket like this. Trim away the excess fabric at the points and clip the curves to help make the pocket fold out smoothly, being really careful not to cut any of the stitches. Then turn the pocket out through the opening using something like a knitting needle to poke out the corners and the curve. And you should now have a cute little pocket that looks like this. Finish it off by giving it a press with an iron. If you've clipped the curve correctly, it should look nice and smooth like this. And then top stitch along the top of the pocket, closing the opening as you stitch. Then repeat these steps until you have a total of 24 pockets. Now it's time to number the pockets. Using a stencil and some fabric paint, number each pocket from 1 to 24. You can obviously choose to leave them blank if you prefer, or you could embroider your numbers on instead. I just found stenciling the numbers to be pretty quick and effective. Next, it's time to prepare the base of the calendar. Take the piece we cut out before and hem each side by folding in about 1 centimetre or ½ inch twice. Then fold in one of the shorter ends about 5 centimetres or 2 inches. Then stitch in place. This will be the loop where the dowel will slip into. Take your 24 numbered pockets and lay them out onto the base of the fabric, making sure that the loop we just made is positioned at the top. There'll be enough space for 6 rows of 4 pockets with about 1 centimetre or ½ inch space between each one. You can choose to place them in number order, but I've decided to place them randomly. Stitch around the curved edge of each pocket to attach it to the base. I found this part easier to do with the excess fabric folded up and out of the way like this. Once all the pockets are stitched, place the dowel into the loop we made earlier. Then tie some cord from one end of the dowel to the other. And your advent calendar is complete. Lastly, pick up some of your favourite treats and place one into each pocket, one for each day in the lead up to Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this super fun project. I'm so happy with how this advent calendar has turned out, and I'm so excited to use it throughout the month of December. Even if you don't celebrate Christmas, you could maybe make it in the lead up to your birthday or something like that. I'm just so excited. This is the first year that I'm not working retail during Christmas in a very long time. So I've kind of just embraced all the neglected festive feelings I've had over the last few years, and have really condensed them into this year, and I've gone all out. So I hope you're excited about this new series, and I will see you tomorrow for a brand new video. Thanks so much for watching.